Good morning. My name is Katherine Cherry. A little bit about me. I graduated from Penn State with a degree in communications, and after graduation I moved to Washington, D.C., where I was working for about a year and a half, and then I realized that I wanted to pursue a career path towards PA school. So I moved up to New York City, where I worked at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center and was living downtown in the West Village and also taking classes part-time towards my post-bac PA school. So this class is actually the last class that I need. I'm in the middle of the PA school application process right now. So this is it for me. Some things that I love, I am a morning person, so I love to get up early and go on a run with my dog Jackson. I'll pull up a picture of him now. There we go. He is a 7-year-old yellow lab. He's technically my parents', but I treat him like my own. So we go running about 4 miles every morning. I do like to be outside. So I moved back home to Charlottesville, Virginia to be closer to family. I also really like hiking, so we're close to the Blue Ridge Mountains, and I get to do a lot of that for my outdoor activities. I actually this year ran my first ever half marathon here. It's very hilly. It's called the most scenic route in the East, but I don't think I was really taking in too much of the scenery since it was a bit of a challenge for me. But did that, and my goal was to be under 2 hours, which I was able to do. Other hobbies of mine, I do love just being around my family. Another big thing for me being back home in Charlottesville, Virginia. They've been my biggest support system going through this whole application process and also taking all of my prereqs. So I just finished Bio 102 last week, and definitely couldn't have done it without my family. I have a brother and a sister. My sister lives in Charleston, South Carolina, and my brother is in law school up in Minneapolis. So we're kind of all over, but my brother's also been home this summer working at a law firm back here. So we've all been back here close to family except for my sister, and it's been really nice having everyone. And that is just a little bit about me. Like I said, I'm a morning person, love to wake up, go on a run, then have my morning coffee. So I've just been sitting outside taking in as much of the Blue Ridge Mountains as I can, having some coffee, and looking forward to this genetics class and learning a little bit more. Thank you.